Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dream Cars, the channel where we explore the hottest, rarest, and most exciting cars the automotive world has to offer. Today, we've got something truly special for you, the long-awaited return of a legend. That's right, we're talking about the all-new 2026 Buick GNX. Buckle up, because this isn't just a revival, it's a reinvention. The GNX badge is iconic, and if you know, you know. Back in 1987, the original GNX was the car that stunned the world, taking down Corvettes and European sports cars with a turbocharged V6 that became the stuff of muscle car folklore. Fast forward nearly 4 decades, and Buick has finally brought it back, but with a modern twist that blends heritage with cutting-edge technology. Let's talk design. The 2026 GNX makes a bold statement the moment you see it. The front fascia is aggressive yet refined, with a blacked-out grille that pays homage to the original's sinister look. LED headlights cut through the darkness with precision, and subtle GNX badging reminds you that this isn't just another performance sedan, it's something more. The hood scoop isn't just for show, it feeds cool air into the engine, hinting at the beast beneath. Around the sides, muscular fender flares and 20-inch forged wheels give it a planted, powerful stance. And at the rear, quad exhaust tips and a subtle lip spoiler complete the look, signaling serious performance without shouting. Under the hood is where things get really exciting. Buick has equipped the new GNX with a 3.6-liter twin-turbocharged V6, producing a jaw-dropping 500 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to all 4 wheels via an advanced, all-wheel drive system, allowing the GNX to rocket from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds. And thanks to a 9-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, you're always in the right gear whether you're tearing up the track or cruising the boulevard. But the GNX isn't just about straight-line speed. Buick engineers have outfitted it with adaptive suspension, Brembo brakes, and a torque vectoring system that lets you carve corners with confidence. Whether you're attacking a twisty mountain road or navigating city streets, the GNX delivers a balanced, composed ride that reminds you it's not just muscle, it's precision engineering. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that balances luxury and sportiness. Premium leather and suede seats with GNX embroidery hug you in place, while carbon fiber accents add a modern touch. The digital gauge cluster is fully customizable, giving you performance data at a glance. A 12-inch touchscreen handles infotainment duties, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium 14-speaker sound system. And for those who want a more immersive experience, the GNX offers a performance heads-up display and a launch control feature right from the dash. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 GNX comes standard with Buick's latest driver assistance suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. It's a car that wants you to push the limits but keeps you protected when things get unpredictable. One of the most exciting parts of the new GNX is how it bridges generations. For the enthusiasts who grew up idolizing the original, this car delivers the power, attitude, and exclusivity they remember. And for a new generation of drivers, it brings the GNX legend into the 21st century with technology, refinement, and performance that can go head-to-head with the best from Europe and Japan. Buick has announced that production of the 2026 GNX will be limited, making it a true collector's item from day one. Each car will come with a serialized plaque, and rumor has it that a special GNX launch edition will offer unique colors and interior trims. So what's the verdict? The all-new 2026 Buick GNX is more than a throwback, it's a statement. It shows that Buick hasn't forgotten its muscle car roots, even as it moves toward a more premium, electrified future. This car isn't just for the nostalgia crowd, it's for anyone who loves driving, who craves power, style, and technology in a package that's unmistakably bold. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2026 Buick GNX. What do you think of Buick's latest performance machine? Would you take over a Charger, a Mustang, or a European sports sedan? Let us know down in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the Dream Cars, and ring that bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews, news, and car spotlights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.